Bed sharing leads to the death of an infant and criminal charges against the child's parents. Today is Friday, April 11th, and this is 570 News on the Go, brought to you in part by NorthCentralPA.com. Cloudy today, light rain, a high near 50. A man and woman in Sunbury are charged in the death of their 6-day-old child. 31-year-old Ashley Usadell and 35-year-old Travis Smart were taken into custody Thursday morning. Police were called to their North 6th Street home in the middle of the night. The two told police they were asleep in bed with the baby when they woke to find the infant unresponsive. Usadell said she was feeding the baby in bed when she must have fallen asleep. During the investigation, police found the home did not have a bassinet, crib, or pack-and-play. In fact, the home was condemned yesterday due to unsafe conditions. 3 other children were handed over to Children and Youth. Usadell has been charged with involuntary manslaughter and endangerment, while Smart faces child endangerment charges. Both were placed in the county prison. It is noted there are several organizations that have partnered with cribsforkids.org. They include DIG Furniture in Milton, CSIU, the Geisinger Medical Center, and Northumberland County Children and Youth. All partners provide safe sleep education for parents and caregivers, and many provide portable cribs to those who qualify, or they may be able to direct a family to where they can obtain a crib. A Loganton man was killed and his wife critically injured in a violent 2-vehicle accident involving a wrong-way driver. On Wednesday evening around 6:30, 28-year-old Amanda Geiswhite of Loganton was driving on Route 220 North near Lock Haven when her car was hit by a vehicle driven by 39-year-old Dwight Meyer of Lock Haven. Police say Meyer was traveling south in the northbound lane when his car collided with the Geiswhite vehicle. The Lock Haven Express reports 2 helicopters were dispatched to the scene and landed on the highway. It's believed 29-year-old Evan Geiswhite of Loganton was pronounced dead at UPMC Lock Haven. His wife, Amanda, and Meyer were hospitalized in critical condition. The Sun-Gazette reports the city of Williamsport has agreed to pay back $1.4 million to the Federal Transit Administration with installments of $35,000 a month until the debt is satisfied. The repayment is for the alleged misappropriation of transit funds by former city finance director Bill Nichols. Investigators claim Nichols misappropriated more than $500,000 in grant money intended for River Valley Transit. He was charged in September with felony counts of theft and tampering with public records for the misuse of state and federal funding. Nichols worked for the city of Williamsport for over 40 years before he was terminated in 2021. A Williamsport man who was out on bail is taken into custody a second time after police discovered child sex abuse materials on his cell phone. Investigators obtained a search warrant for digital information contained on the cell phone of 35-year-old Donnell Edwards during a separate investigation regarding inappropriate contact with a female juvenile. They discovered multiple videos and photographs of child sex abuse. Edwards was located by Williamsport Police in conjunction with U.S. Marshals Task Force members and taken into custody. He is now jailed in lieu of bail. And a Wills for Heroes event is taking place on Saturday at the Muncie Area Fire Company in Muncie. The free service provides wills, living wills, health care, and financial powers of attorney to first responders and military veterans and their spouses or partners. Wills for Heroes is in partnership with the Pennsylvania Bar Association and the Lycoming Law Association. Appointments generally last 1 hour for each person, and at the conclusion, participants will have their completed notarized legal documents. Appointments can be scheduled online at www.pabar.org/WFH. For the latest in news and events, head on over to NorthCentralPA.com. I'm Liz Brady, and you're up to date with 570 News on the Go.